Hey folks, welcome back to the farm at long last. Plenty to update you on in some other videos soon, but for now we've got to sort out some trees that have been falling down. 2 years worth of fallen trees. Let's get it done. Secret meadow. This is the biggest haul of the lot. There's some more oak and bits back there. This is the two big ones that fell down, but there's probably the same again, probably for next year. They're either in a place where we need to get a digger or a telehandler to reach, or there's a few which just need to be felled. They're kind of ones that are split and looking a bit dodgy. Brought one dumper load up. Rob reckons there's probably another 6, 7, possibly even 8 dumper loads down there. Plus we've got 2 crate cages, so it's going to be a lot, and it's also right in the middle of where we need it, because this is where we're going to hopefully put a new concrete slab down. Yeah, look at that, it's all like a little fungus thing. It's quite hard, isn't it? I just don't know if that's safe, if you dry that and then it's sat in your front room. Oh well. As a accurate woodpecker. See where you're trying to get to the bugs and stuff. Apparently I left the gate open. Eden's been chasing sheep for the last half an hour, which is a shame. Thunderstorm, rain and hail, we're back down for the last one, so I'm hoping we can fit it all in one dumper load. Now the issue we got is there's no point in them carrying on splitting if there's nothing to put it in. The truck's full and we can't really empty that by hand. Our IBC crates are all full, the tractor has taken up already, so we're just down to the dumper. That's okay, so they deserve a break. It's an insane amount of wood we're getting from this, and while some of it's a little bit soft and a little bit too far gone, a lot of it is very good, and all of the stuff we're doing now is all ash and oak. We'll put that to one side for ourselves, I think. Meanwhile, Joe is dealing with customers, collecting our meat boxes that people have ordered. We do have a limited number left. They came back from the butchers today, so if you're interested and you want to come to the farm and collect them from Gloucestershire area, then let me know in the comments or in the description. We'll send over the info. You can reserve them online and then let us know when you want to come and collect. We've got lamb, mutton and pork boxes, along with all the usual sausages and burgers. This is getting proper squelchy. Definitely one of the best things we did, putting all this concrete sleepers in, otherwise we'd be really making a mess.
So why do we need quite so many logs, you might ask? Well, there's a good reason. We've got lots of different family members who have log burners, plus the exciting news is we had our wood burner installed in the build this week. So at long last, we've got some form of heating, not that we need it now. But anyway, these logs will be in the barn for a couple of years. We've also got them all crated up. So we've got about 8 IBC crates full already, some more to fill, and then this stack to sort through as well. So there we go. Big thanks to Rob the Log. And it's nice to have those trees cleared up around the fields. Thanks for watching. Take care. See you next time.